Good morning, guys. Here we've got iPhone 17 and let me show you how to customize your respond with text replies on this device, on this iPhone. So once you want to quickly send personalized, ready-made responses to calls or messages without typing each time, just open the settings at first, enroll apps, and now go to phone app. It's under P, so here we've got it. Scroll down and here you've got calls. Under calls you've got respond with text. Mark it here, and now you can customize each answer. It will be displayed and you will be able to respond to an incoming call with this text. So that's it. Now you can go back. It is already saved, and once you've got some incoming call and you want to respond with particular text, these would be your options. Obviously you can customize it and change it whenever you want. You can also remove something. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.